I can quote the Supreme Court, if you permit me. The Supreme Court said, technicality in the administration of justice shuts out justice, and went further to say that it is therefore better to have a case heard and determined on its merits than to leave the court with the shield of victory obtained on mere technicality. This Supreme Court. So we're very happy with that. But my Lord, just a few weeks ago, the Supreme Court also said, and I quote, "The correct order to make is to declare the judgment of the trial tribunal a nullity as a result of one of the panelists not sitting on a day proceedings were held." And so Nigerians are really worried. Where would this Supreme Court be situated? We would like to know from you, under you, where justice will be. Not where justice will be, what we can expect from the Supreme Court under you.
Permit me distinguished President and the Senators to see that what is a technicality? Something which is technical, in my definition, it is something that is not usual, that may sometimes defy all the norms known to a normal thing. It may be technical. Now, we have technicalities in our laws, and this is because these laws that we have inherited, we inherited them from the British. The British people have, for quite centuries ago, introduced what is known as technicalities in their laws. Now, if something is technical, it is in a way given a leeway for double interpretation. It may be interpreted this way by Mr. A, or it may be interpreted this way by Mr. B. Now, if something is technical, comes before the law or before the courts, what we normally do at the trial court is we ask people who are expert in that field to come and testify. We rely on their testimony because they are experts in that field. Ask me anything on aeroplane, I don't know. Ask me to drive an aeroplane, I am sure if you are a passenger and they told you that that flight is going to be driven by Honorable Justice Ibrahim Tanko, I am sure you'll get out of the plane. Because it is something that requires technicality. And if I have any technicality, my technicality will only be limited to law. Therefore, it is something that has to do with the perception of the way you think you'll be able to achieve the goals of what you want to achieve. Several of our laws are dependent on technicalities. But remember, when we come, we have what is known as rules of interpretation. We resort to rules of interpretation. There are several rules of interpretation. Those of us who are lawyers here, no, there are several rules of interpretation. So we resort to that one. And it is through that we resolve the problem that is technically raised. So that is the answer.
Hi everyone, the Fatherland Group is a global network of Nigerians armed with a deep understanding of our past, present, and our future. Please like, follow, share our YouTube channel. Subscribe. Subscription on YouTube is actually free, so please do that and turn on your notifications. That way you'll be the first to know whenever we share new content. To learn more, please log on to the fatherlandgroup.org. fatherlandgroup.org. Thank you.